Good day, teacher and classmates. My name is Juan Serrano, and today we're going to be talking about the online tool that we chose last week to speak with or about in my oral presentation slash video using the Screencast-O-Matic. Basically, as I said before, my name is Juan Serrano. I do apologize, first of all, because I do not have a webcam. My computer or my laptop webcam is not working at this moment. I do apologize for that, but I will try my best. Providing you with a tour to my tool or in the tool that I select to speak about. So let's get started. Basically, today we're going to be talking about Quizlet, and this is the app that I chose with my classmates last week to speak about. And basically, Quizlet is an American online study application that allows students to study, by the way, via learning tools and games. It was created by Andrew Sutherland in October 2005 and released to the public in January 2007. As I said before, it's a study app and uses some options such as flashcards to help the students to learn. In this case, when you type Quizlet, and the main pane will be this one, in which one you will have a brief explanation or introduction about the app. You can see some tips and some statements that they use, like 90% of the students who use Quizlet report higher grades and so on. It have different topics for free and default, so which one you can select whichever you want, and you can try the app for the first time, and it will have some more information. In the very bottom, it have some subjects are already on default, as I said before, and some features, help us if you have some type of issues with the page or your account, about the tool, and as well the language, so you can change the language to most likely every language. So going up, it's where we need to be. We got two options: log in if you already have an account, or sign up. If you don't have an account like me, you need to sign up, in which one you can use a Google account, which one if you have a Gmail, you can continue with your Gmail. It's going to be easier and faster, or as well with your Facebook. If you have your Facebook open or your app in the phone, you can use it. I forgot to mention that this is available in apps for iOS, that means Apple or iPhones, iPads, and so on, and Android or in the Play Store and Google Play. In here, you can sign up by yourself with a different email that is not Gmail. For example, if you have a Hotmail, an Outlook, at Yahoo, you can use that one in order to sign up. You will put your birthday, you will create a username, you will put your email and create a password. Then you will accept the Quizlet's terms and use and sign up. Once you already sign up, the next page will be this one, which one will offer you some trials and provide with some more information about the app, in which one you can know that if you pay for it, you will have Quizlet Plus. As I said in here, you will have all these features. And as well, you can have Quizlet Go, which one means that you can have offline access and ad free. So you will not see like ads over the application or the website, so it's a good one then. But in that case, we're gonna continue with free Quizlet, so you click in here. The next page that you will have is the home page. Quizlet have this is the simple and most likely enough home page. The first tab in here is the home, then you will have progress. In progress, basically what you're gonna see is the progress of your classes. If you have classes in here, you will see what type or what topic you have already learned and so on. For example, in this one, the human biology, we got not studied 12 chapters, still learning 22, and mastered 55. And the same for other topics. It's just like basically a summary of what's going on with your account. And settings, obviously, if you want to change your email, your profile picture, and so on. The sets, we're going to be talking about a little bit later for that. And folders. Sets are like the documentation that you will create in Quizlet, and the folders is obviously to put your sets in. But that's another story. It's very easy. It's like a your library. You will have your documentation, which one is going to be the sets, and your folders, which one's going to be the folders. So continue with Quizlet in here. Here is where we need to be, or what is interesting to us. You will create. Once you get create, you're gonna be are you gonna open this? This is like how to create a new set. In here, you will have all the information you need to get or to input in the website. You will put some chapters name and so on. For example, I have already one created in here. Let me put it in here. Sorry, I have already one created in here. So let me show you how to do it or how it looks before you already finish it. In this case, we're gonna put this one, and it should be for editing. So once you are here and you are going to create your label or your set, you will be seeing like this. This is my draft. I put a title as Science Notebook 101. Learning science terms is the description. In here you will add terms. For example, if you want to learn what animal means, you put the term and you put the definition. If you have the plus or the premium version, you can add images, but it's very nice to have these two. I think that the image is just a plus, but it's not necessary, so that's a good one. Once you finish this, obviously you can add more terms. It's not for like 4 or 3. You can add more terms. I have all the terms that you need to learn in one page. Then you put it done, and it's gonna direct you to this page, which one is gonna be the sets main page. In this one, you will have the title and so on, and the terms in here. In this case, we're in flashcards. Flashcards mean that you have the term, and if you click the flashcard, it will provide you with the definition. So you can practice with that, swipe it, and you have another term, another definition, and so on. This is just like flashcards for each term. That's a good one to start your learning. As well, we got spell option. You have all these options in here, but I will show you the spell one, which one is very interesting. Why? Because it will provide you with the term, and is such living thing other than human being is an animal. So you can put the answer in here. You can hear the answer. You see? It read it for you, and you put enter. If it is correct, it will show you as green. In here, it will provide you with how much do you learn, and it will provide you with the correct in green. If not, you will see a red circle in here, but you can like review it again. Going back, we got the test one. Once you already think that you know everything about the topic that you are studying, or if you think that you're prepared to take a test, this is a pre-test, which one it's going to be helpful. For example, you will have these reading questions. Any animal member of the Homo sapiens is a human being. The science of life, then this one is going to be biology. As you may see, I know my terms already. And the multiple choice question, sorry, in which one you need to select which one it is and put check answer. It will provide you with a grade and with the check marks, so you can see that which one's answers were correct or incorrect if you have a wrong one. Then if you like to play and you're more like playing in the playing mode or some, you have these two games. The first one is called Match. This one is very easy for me. It's very interesting as well. I will say that it's basic. It says in here it's instruction. Direct corresponding items onto each other to make them disappear. So for example, if you have, you get the terms and you get the definitions. For example, biology. What is biology? The science. So you know that is this one. And let's see that you get one wrong. For example, human being, you put it in here. This is not the definition. It will show you the red square, and as well as gonna reject it until you get everything on green. With the terms, you will have this. This is very interesting because it provides you the time frame that you make it, and you can challenge a friend which one is gonna provide a link that you can share. Going back, sorry, it's going back to it, to the main page again. You will have the second game, which one is gonna be gravity. Gravity is more like when you're ready, and you have the enough knowledge about the terms and the topic, this is interesting as well. Yes, in this case, you put it at there. You can put it easy, medium, hard. It's gonna be like more slow, normal, and faster. And you will see what I mean by faster or slow. You get star game, and you will have asteroids falling from the space. So you will see the definition, and you can put the answer. Once you put the answer, it's gonna disappear. If you put like hard, the level in hard, it will be faster. If you put like easy, it's gonna be more slow. So you can pause it, you can practice with this. So basically this is a good one. It's a very interesting game. It's attractive, so the kids or the children can be like very focused on what is going on in the screen. So basically this is all the functions for Quizlet. In here you will have a summary of the terms, like where are you with them. Like in this case, since we got everything correct, it says like we master all those 3 terms. That means that we're pro on those, we know the subject. If not, you will have something like in red, okay, saying like you need to learn this, or in yellow like you're almost there, and so on. But basically this is all what Quizlet offer the user about. In conclusion, I can say that Quizlet is a very good app, most likely for students and teachers. Parents as well are including here. I think they are very attractive for kids. So when you want your children to know or to learn something, this is very, very, very recommend for you guys. As well, I will say that the basic version is okay. If you want, you can use a trial to explore the app, but it's not necessary to pay for it. I think that the basic or standard version is good. And as you may see, you can learn everything from languages, foreign culture, for any topic basically, and it's very easy to use. It's very accessible, as I said before. You can use this in your laptop, in your phone, tablet, iPad, so on, and it's very, very easy. I think that that's it for today. Thank you very much for paying attention, and you have a good one. Bye bye.